Hey guys, welcome back to another video today, and today I had something planned for a while. It's finally going through now. It's for my trunk. It's a trunk setup basically. I got a piece of wood for it, and my build's gonna be pretty nice now. But I want to wash the car first because after the taillight install, I got alcohol everywhere and the paint's all dry. So I want to just liven it back up and clean it and make the car look good again. But it's freaking hot in here, and I have no gel, so there's what it looks like now. But anyway, I'm gonna move the car up and then wash it. So I'll see you guys in a second when it's all clean, and we're starting on the trunk. Alright guys, so the car is clean now. It is actually really clean. So the first thing I want to do now is clear out the trunk and then pull the carpet out and then make a stencil on the wood. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So let's clean out the trunk and I'll see you guys when we're out there. Alright guys, so this was the easy part, just making a stencil out of my, my trunk rug, or carpet. I guess you don't want to call it a rug. But anyway, the next thing we do is just to cut it out. I mean, this is probably one of the easiest things you could do to make your setup in your car look really good. I mean, it's pretty simple. Just gonna get a little bit, like a little skill saw, and then cut it out, and then sand this inside, and then lay a vinyl on it, or hardwood. Use this as a template, use hardwood, anything I want, anything you guys want. It's all up to you guys. This is super easy. I think the wood was 20 bucks. It was like the cheapest one they had, and it is pretty thin, so that's good. You don't want it super thick, because again, I think about right here down, I'm gonna make a cut into two pieces, hinge it so I can like fold it up and down for my battery, so if the car ever dies, then I can just charge it without having to take all this whole thing up. So it'll make my life a bit easier. Alright guys, so here it is. The wood is under the carpet right now, and honestly it is like so perfect. Like, it's really good. Only thing I would need to do is to go sand this down a bit more, and for it to really fit into the car where the battery is, from I think right here down, sorry the carpet's really dirty, I would need to cut it out. So that's what it looks like right now. Sanded down, started with 120, 220, and then yeah, so there it is. It resembles it really well. I could try to fit in the trunk, but I know it won't. I think I might try a couple things with this, because it actually looks pretty good. I like the wood grain on it. It looks pretty nice, actually. Whew. Alright, well, that's what it looks like. I mean, it looks kind of cool. I just wanted to test it how it looked. Obviously, it brought the grain, the indents out, or the outdents, I guess. The indents are kind of still there. I tried it over here lightly, but again, this is the back side, so it doesn't really matter. This is the good side still. So I'm probably going to end up wrapping this with like a laminate tile. But I don't know. What do you guys think of that? I mean, this almost just blew up in my face, which would have been bad. So I kind of stopped. But this is what it looks like. I mean, it's okay. It's alright. I think that's where the battery is, so I'm going to give that a cut. And then I don't know about the rest of this stuff because it'll probably fit in there without that piece until I hinge it and all that good stuff. But anyway, let's go cut that really quick, and I'll see you guys when we're up there. Okay, guys, so basically it is in, except for the battery piece. It's like out there. But anyway, I'm gonna need to do a bit more sanding around here, or yeah, I'm gonna need to do a bit more sanding around this side, or the top side, whichever one, because it is a bit too big. Obviously, there's a bit of a gap right here, but it is in, so I'm pretty happy, and it comes out. I think I might have to take this light thing out, so it comes out. Right there. I think it comes out now. Yeah, it comes out now. Alright, well, that's pretty sweet. I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, now, yeah, so I'm gonna have to do a bit more sanding on it. I saved that for tomorrow because I am pretty dirty, guys. Like, you can look at me, I'm like disgusting. And I think it's like 7 or 8. So it's taken about, what, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Sizing, stenciling, cutting and sanding and all that, and I did it by hand. You guys can use the electric sander, make your job a lot faster. But until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow when this is all done. But until then, don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so obviously this isn't enough laminate, so I can't follow through. I'm missing one square there and not enough for that one. So until then, I am going to have to leave it as normal wood. Hopefully there's nothing sticky on this. Okay, I guess we're good. Alright, yeah, so we're alright. I don't mind leaving it as wood. I mean, it is pretty big in here. But anyway, I'll see you guys in a second when this is all in and the car's all cleaned out. Alright guys, so if there's one thing I didn't know about my car, is that if you try to unlock it, like, oh shoot, that's locking it, okay. Unlocking it, I didn't know the windows rolled down on it. I think that's pretty sweet. Like, I feel like one of those dumb Mercedes owners now that just knows nothing about their car. I mean, even up here open, like, if I keep going, dude, that's pretty sweet. That is actually pretty sweet. Like, if the car's actually hot, I mean, man, gotta love that S-Class. Alright guys, so hope you guys liked the video today. Hopefully it was informational for you guys and you guys like have an idea of what to do for your trunk setup now. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. But don't go anywhere guys, stay tuned for videos coming up. I got something pretty special for the interior again. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe guys like always. But anyway, goodbye. Resulted in putting holes in it and making it loud from there. Just not like, I put a couple big holes in it.